How to make stickers with Silhouette Cameo 4. Step 1. In Silhouette Studio, go to the Page Setup panel on the right and ensure that Cameo 4 is selected for machine. Step 2. Set the feed type to auto and cutting mat to auto as well. Step 3. Click the media size drop-down and select A4. Step 4. Go to the Registration Marks tab and select On. Step 5. Click the Open folder on the top left side of the screen. Select the sticker design you want to use and click OK. Step 6. Once the design loads into the workspace, select it, rotate it, and place it in the middle. Step 7. Resize the design to fit inside the media. Step 8. Click the Align option in the Quick Access toolbar. Click Align Center, then click Align Middle. Step 9. Once the design is centered, click Open the Trace panel in the right toolbar. Step 10. Click Select Trace Area, then drag and draw a bounding box over the areas you want to cut. Step 11. Go to the Threshold section and increase the threshold until every part of the design is yellow. Step 12. Once done, click Trace. Step 13. You'll notice a red outline around all the stickers where they will be cut. Step 14. Now click the red outer lines to select it. Go to the Offset panel and click Offset. Step 15. Make the offset distance smaller to get a clear cut. Step 16. Once you've set the offset, double-click the inner red line and click Scissor on the top toolbar to remove the line. Step 17. Check every piece of the stickers and ensure that there's no inner line. Step 18. Check the cut line and see if there's any red line. If there are, select it and click Scissor to remove it. Step 19. If you wish to remove any cuts inside the sticker, double-click the cut, click Corner and Smooth in the Point Editing panel. Step 20. Once the design looks smooth, zoom out and click the printer icon in the top toolbar. Step 21. Check the print preview and click Print. Step 22. Make sure that your printer is selected and click the arrow next to Media and Quality to expand. Step 23. Set the correct paper type and set the quality to Best. Step 24. Once you've set the print settings, click Print to print the stickers. Step 25. Once the printer prints out the sticker sheet, align and place the sheet on the mat. Step 26. Line up the mat next to the arrows in the machine and feed it into the machine. Step 27. Go back to Silhouette Studio and go to the Send panel. Step 28. Select the Line tab. Click the Material drop-down for the second layer, and select the sticker paper you'll be using. Step 29. Once you've selected the material, set the action to Auto. Step 30. Set the blade depth to 1, force to 10, speed to 6, and passes to 1. Step 31. Once done, click Send and the machine will start cutting. Step 32. Once it's done cutting, carefully peel off the sticker sheet. Step 33. Trim off the excess material. Step 34. Peel off the sticker and ensure that it's cut all the way through. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.